Hello everyone, this is Sagarika from Campus Technology, a portfolio company of Times Internet. So before starting, I'll just present my screen and begin the slideshow. So as you can see, it's written career opportunities after BCA. As fresh graduates or someone who is about to graduate, you might be wondering about the career opportunities available after completing a Bachelor of Computer Applications. If that is the case, then you are at the right place. I will be telling you about the career paths that you can pursue after completing BCA. So let's begin. So, firstly, what is BCA or a Bachelor of Computer Applications? A Bachelor of Computer Applications is a 3 year undergraduate degree program which focuses on knowledge of the basics of computer applications as well as software development. A BCA degree is considered to be at par with a BTech or BE degree in computer science or information technology. This degree helps interested students in setting up a sound academic base for an advanced career in computer applications. This course includes various other subjects like database management, operating systems, software engineering, web technology, and languages like C, C++, HTML, and Java. It also includes coding. The Bachelor of Computer Application is a very popular case among students who have completed class 12th and have studied computer science or information technology as one of the main subjects in the higher secondary education. Candidates here are introduced to the nuances of computer science, hardware and software, and various important programming languages through this course. After completing the BCA course, one can pursue higher studies by specializing in various subdomains of BCA and pursue a MCA, which is Masters of Computer Applications. So here you can see the BCA career scope, and I have listed down 5 of the most sought after career options: technical analyst, web developer, e-commerce executive, cyber security expert, blockchain developer. So we'll go through each of this one by one. So firstly, technical analyst. The demand for technical analysts has increased by 140% in the last 2 years. Do you know why? Because of the digital technologies which are around us and the new developments that are constantly happening. As a technical analyst, you would be someone who could provide support and guidance not only to the IT team of your company but to the wider business on how to optimize the system while reducing costs and increasing profits. A technical analyst needs to be a confident communicator with both team members as well as clients. You will need to explain findings to a wider team who may not necessarily understand technical terminology, and so interpersonal skills are especially important. It is also extremely important for technical analysts to be up to date with the industry trends as well as economic trends. Stakeholders and senior managers will look to technical analysts for guidance and advice. Technical analysts often work with various teams to help produce company solutions for IT processes and services. They need to be able to understand business concepts as well as technical concepts. Therefore, a degree in either business management, computer science, or computer engineering would be highly beneficial. Next, we come to web developer. Web developers mostly work independently as freelancers or with company teams to create websites, as the name suggests. These professionals may focus on front end or back end development depending on their specific roles. The front end includes designing sites and coding what users see, while back end development involves writing code to ensure proper functionality. Web developers may also become web masters to provide maintenance, updates, troubleshooting whenever needed. Prospective web developers can use various kinds of tools and techniques to create interesting websites and content. Some of the key soft skills that are needed for web developers include, but not limited to, are multitasking. You have to handle multiple projects at a time and have to constantly improve your efficacy in the workplace. Self motivation. Because of the time consuming project based nature of web developers cannot procrastinate if they want to meet the project deadlines. You need to have good organization skills to meet the deadlines and handle each project smoothly. You have to be attentive to the minute details provided in front of you. And lastly, we have communication, which is a very, very important skill for any person looking to find a hold in the professional world. There are certain hard skills for web developers, which includes a good knowledge of HTML or CSS. HTML being the most common markup language on the internet, and CSS being the primary language used to encode website designs. You have to be responsive to designs. You should also be aware of database and cache. A cache, which is something which collects data, making it easier for a computer to access information the next time a user needs it. And finally, testing and debugging. Developers should be able to test a web page and discover any flaws or bugs and estimate any sort of errors. Testing helps ensure that the code will function properly. Next in line, we have e-commerce executive. The e-commerce executive grows the e-commerce business or the digital business by improving the customer experience, executing customer order fulfillment, and maintaining the digital platform. You will conduct data analysis to generate data-driven market insights and manage relationships with various business partners. You would be working in an extremely fast paced digital environment and ensure the smooth operation of the e commerce business. You should be able to collaborate and find good results for your skills. You should be technologically savvy and be able to operate well under pressure, because most of the time you will have deadlines for each of the projects you take up. Next, cyber security expert or cyber security specialist. So, as a cyber security specialist, You would be responsible for providing security for an organization's overall IT systems. You would search for vulnerabilities in software, hardware, networks, and data centers and design strategies and defensive systems to protect against attacks and threats. Cybersecurity experts are in demand with a continued growth in projection and a robust salary. And this profession will definitely continue to evolve as technology advances and as new security concerns continue to develop. As a cybersecurity expert, you would be required to perform research, testing, evaluation, and deployment of security technology and procedures. You would need to run frequent diagnostics on any changes to data to verify any undetected breaches. You would develop firewalls to secure the network infrastructure, grant permissions and privileges to authorized users, configure antivirus systems, and console and conduct software updates. Lastly, we have blockchain developer. So, blockchain developers enable secure digital transactions by creating systems to record and store blockchain data in a way that prevents changes or hacks. They design secure blockchain technologies, develop application features and interfaces, and maintain client and server side applications. As a blockchain developer, you would be collaborating with managers to determine blockchain technology needs and envisaged functionalities. You would be creating application features and interfaces by using programming languages and writing multi threaded codes. You would be educating sales personnel on blockchain features that allow secured digital transactions and payments. You would be documenting blockchain development processes and complying with best practices in data protection. That's it from my side. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I will meet you soon with another informative video. Thank you.